when you have something, you are taken, like if I'm a manufacturer of some chocolate, and my order is for Amiben, and it has to reach the Amiben, and I must have told 10 people that it has to reach Amiben. 10 people did not do their job. At the end, it is me at Amiben and the product. So to reach the product is my responsibility. If my people are not doing the job, it is my responsibility. And being responsible, if I get angry on other people because you know that this person is going to do this way, maybe you are aware. If I tell somebody 10 times, and you know that after 10 times also he may not move, so you may have to tell 11 times, 12 times, and maybe you have to express little loudly, but you don't have to get angry. But you could have communicated in a clear manner that this has to go, and you see to it that this goes. Wherever you are, today we have a mobile phone, and we can access every moment to anybody. We are all connected so well. So basically it is being responsible. Now you left something, you went and did something else, when you came back and you saw that it wasn't done and you were getting angry. So at the end of the day, it is you only who is responsible. And for your responsibility you are getting angry on somebody else. Because you had given responsibility to somebody and he is not that kind of he doesn't have that kind of understanding. Otherwise he would be manufacturing the chocolates and sending it. You are smarter, so that's why you are smarter, that's why you are into the business. And he or she is not that smart, that's why she is doing the labor. So you have to understand that. It's just being responsible. And it's something like that, you are carrying acid in your head all the time. And acid is affecting the vessel more than the other person also. It is affecting the other person, but the acid is going to affect the vessel more than other person. So the anger is something, first it will start with irritation, then annoyance, so you are annoyed, and then fury, and then rage. It goes like that. And then you're bursting out. So it's rage directly is very rare. We feel that we just got angry, but actually it is not there. The irritation was always been there about something. You are somewhere irritated and that's why you blasted. You are not happy with some situation, and if you are not happy with some situation, it is who is not happy? Me. Now who are you? Nothing. Then who is getting angry? And for what? And on whom? Isn't that related to the five senses and related to your ego? Because you wanted something your way, it didn't happen. It's okay. You can always tell again and again and again and again. You should have to learn to have that patience. Or maybe keep quiet. What does anger include? Frustration, feeling of hurt, harassment. These are your feelings why you get angry. Injustice, it can be real or it can be perceived. Injustice. Criticism means you believe that this is what is happening to me is unfair, and that can be a reason for anger. Threat to people, things and the ideas of me and mine. When you think this is mine and you feel that this is damaged, when somebody bangs the car, so it is mine, and that's why you get angry, because again me and mine is there and the ego is there. It is linked to another person's emotions where you are connected to him. Like somebody tells your husband or your son or daughter something, you are emotionally connected and you tend to get angry over there. Feeling of frightened, you get angry. Suddenly some noise comes and you get frightened and you can get angry. Disappointment, if you are worried, if you are thinking, because worried is a repetition thought, and somebody comes into that thought and you get disturbed and you get angry. You feel embarrassed when a lot of people are there and they tell you to do something, and you get irritated and you can get angry. Poor communication gets anger. When the communication is not clear, when it's poor, then you haven't understood, or the opposite person haven't understood what exactly it is to be done, and that can get anger, anxiety, depression, of feeling oneself in a low esteem, low esteem, and that is the time you feel angry, because you feel that opposite person is more powerful, more understanding, more intelligent, and you feel yourself lower than him, and that gets anger. Its anger is always related of losing something, maybe my thought, my idea, and something where my ego is involved.
What about stubbornness? What about stubbornness?
Stubbornness, that will get anger, because you are stuck to one thought. You are stubborn because you are stuck to one thought, and that is your idea, that's your concept, that it should be like this. And when you are stuck to it, it's attachment to your desire. So any attachment to the desire will get you angry. Rudeness or insult, somebody insults you or somebody behaves rude to you. When you are very tired, you tend to get angry. When you are hungry, that time also you tend to get angry. When you are in pain, withdrawal of addiction will get you angry. Deadlines, working deadlines, gets you angry. Failure, being teased or bullied, gets you angry. Sloppy service, if your service is not good, if you go somewhere in the hotel and his service is not good, you may tend to get angry. Financial problems, illness, mental or physical, will get you angry. Burglary and criticism, these are some things which makes you angry. Now let's understand to the effect to the body, the anger, how it affects the body. Heart rate rises, 3 days chemical locha, BP, your BP rises.
Chemical locha, when you said with hunger, you feel more angry when you are hungry, because that involves some chemical reactions also.
Because
when your chemicals are a little disturbed.
And
When you are hungry, you get angry more easily.
you know, when you are angry or upset or excited, if you have sweet, you will cool down. So banana is a very good medicine for anger, because it cools you down. Stress hormones are released, which gives you stress. That hormones are released from in the body. You start trembling, stammering, pressure of shouting. So your thyroid glands are affected whenever you are agitated or when you are angry. The thyroid glands are affected most. Sweating, you become abusive to others. Your problem will have, relationship problem will, obviously it is going to be there. If you are an angry person, you tend to throw things which at that time you do not remember that this belongs to you. It's your own thing you are breaking or throwing. Your jaw gets tensed, you start grinding your teeth, you get into depression in that moment. A lot of people cannot express their anger and they get into depression. It happens. And many people, they refuse to speak. They don't want to speak when they are angry. They just keep quiet and they leave that place and they go and sulk in one corner. You have a sleeping problem.
That can be one solution also.
Solution will come to solutions also.
No, she's asking that could be one
But
to
being
remain
quiet is a
silent.
solution.
Yeah, to remain silent or go away from
No,
that.
but when suppose
Not
you...
sulk somewhere, but
Haan.
be silent.
Yeah, silent is a wonderful medicine. But at that time, it all depends on what is your mental state. The silent, why you are. Are you taking in as a negative energy, or you are taking it, you know that he is angry, so let me, your awareness is there. He is angry, so I shouldn't be speaking.
No, if I am angry and if I don't want to burst out, so I keep quiet.
But then you are burning inside, na? The chemical...
So sometimes it's burning and sometimes it's coming out, but sometimes you feel that, like, you know,
But
probably that awareness is that.
But suppressed anger is going to come out. If you are not aware of why me and why with me, then it's going to burst out. Because there is ego involved. And wherever there is ego involved, it's going to burst out. And if not, suppose if you are a mother, if it's not going out because your husband is very strong and more khadus than you, then it will come out on your children. Now the children will carry that anger, and they may have a fight with somebody else in the school, and with the school they'll complain. It will go to the principal. Principal will invite you. Please come. I want to talk to you, and you will carry the same anger again with you and come home. So it moves around. It moves in cycle. This negative emotion always comes back to you in some or the other form.
Sometimes when you keep quiet and you don't want to burst out, you are actually passing that this moment.
But how much understanding you have at that time? See, if you are aware, the anger is gone. But if you are not aware, but you're just angry and you don't want to talk, you just want to suppress, then this body, then the body is reacting. The body is reacting. We are talking about the body reacting disorders because your system, your heart is not pumping well, so the blood circulation is not organized, and your eating disorders are there. You tend to eat more sweet at that time because it's an antidepressant, and you like it, and then you put on weight also. A lot of people, they overwork. When they are angry, they don't want to be at that place and they overwork. They just remove the anger in their work. So a lot of people do that.
But isn't that also channelize your
energy? But then
anger will a lot of.
The thing is, if the awareness is missing, anyhow you are harming yourself. It's not needed. Your body doesn't need.
If you are involved completely in the work, so why not?
See, are you responsible? If you are just because like I don't want to talk to Ketan and I want to be in the kitchen right now and I keep on doing something, maybe extra bread. But is that needed? See, your body is reacting. What we are talking about, the body reactions. Your body is reacting. So the anger is there, it's harming you. It's harming you. Your mental state is not in a perfect alignment. So it's harming you. Maybe you are getting involved in the work, but you are angry. Other physical effects, you will have headache, backache, upset digestive system, ulcers, and gastritis. These are the disease. Moodiness. Because of the angry person, you are a moody person. Weak immune system. Weak immune system.
All you're actually just telling me.
Trouble with everybody. Getting involved in fight.
She's opening up things now.
The
No, don't worry, you're all in the same boat.
See, everybody has this. Most of us have this. Then you lose respect with your children and children towards the parents, if it is with children. Other thing, your expression of that uneasiness, your anger, it comes on your driving. It becomes aggressive. Your physical behavior is more action based, and you are not aware, in short. Now we'll just have one small questionnaire. She will ask you questions. What you have to do, take a paper, and you don't have to write the questions or anything, but just tick wherever it is related to you, the question. You just tick yes and cross. So you just have to check how many crosses are there and how many ticks are there. If there are more ticks, you know that you are very much prone to that. Naveen, please.
I have trouble controlling my temper.
I have.
I have trouble controlling. I have been mad enough to slam a door when leaving someone behind in the room. People are bossy. I take my time doing what they want just to show them.
Yeah.
The question.
People are bossy. I take my time doing what I am just to get back at them.
When somebody is bossy,
When somebody
then you
tries to
you
act bossy.
purposely take extra time to show him that
Okay.
you know.
Hello, I also know what you want.
So you take extra time and do the work slow.
When I become mad that I have broken things. I have become so mad that I start breaking things. Destructive, yeah. In anger.
You want me to read?
I think I told me to give time, so I'm waiting.
Huh.
I sometimes spread gossip about people I don't like in state of anger. At times I am so jealous that I can't think of anything else.
I'm so
Jealous that I can't think of anything
jealous
else.
and anger to do with.
Lakshman,
It
if you're,
has to be there.
it has to be there. Means you don't like something, you are jealous about something, and jealousy is a very subtle anger. There is anger inside in jealousy.
You are basically angry why that person is better than me.
Yeah. Is it that some of my friends think I am hot-headed? Or all?
Okay, you think that. No, I don't think.
My friends don't think I'm hot-headed.
I don't think I'm hot-headed. To say, you're right, I'm friends.
That's why if nobody's confessing, we are just like loudly we are saying.
I know that my friends talk about me behind my back. So they must be saying, yes, she's angry kind of a person or something like that.
And you know about it.
How do you know?
Wait, you know that your friends
Because of
talk
your
behind you.
nature, you must be knowing that, oh, they must be talking about my back.
Colleagues,
Friends
yeah.
are well.
I tell my friends openly when I disagree with them.
Of course.
If somebody hits me, I hit back.
Hit.
Yeah, hit.
Without.
Means with words or with
Without
hand,
it.
maybe.
We write for them. We do it.
I get into fights more than most people. I get into fights more than most people. I let my anger show when I do not get what I want. My friends say I argue a lot. Other people always seem to get the break.
Other people always seem to get the break. I don't get the break.
it. But this is self-meeting.
Huh?
Other people always seem to get the break.
Opportunity.
I flare up quickly but get over it quickly. I often find myself disagreeing with people.
Person have people.
I can't help getting into arguments when people disagree with me. I can't help getting into arguments when people disagree with me. I wonder why sometimes I feel so bitter about things. I have threatened people I know. But threatened in literal sense? What sense?
With anger. You threaten
Anger.
people. You get angry many times because you want to show that I am powerful. Like a gunda type of person or dada or a boss. Sometimes the boss, he keeps on shouting just to tell you that I am the boss.
If I am angry enough, I may mess up someone's work, someone other's work. If I am angry, I'll go and mess up with somebody else's work. So you throw away your anger on
Kids
that.
do that many times, you know. They are angry and they just go and brother, sister's work they disturb. And adults also do that.
I
They
get
purposely
angry.
harm something in the office and break something in the office and they go out.
I get angry when my work goes unnoticed. You are talking to someone and they don't answer you. So do you get angry with them?
This is not fair. He's just looking at me that I'm the only one who has to answer.
You know coughing, huh?
I get angry when someone pretends to be something they are not. But what is there a thin line between irritation and angry? So how do
irritation
you
is part of
describe?
anger only, na?
It's a part of anger. Yes.
Bacha of anger.
First we finish this.
No, but you get irritated and you cannot
That is not
control it.
irritation is anger. Huh? It's anger.
Irritation is anger.
Okay. Aggressiveness is also anger.
Anger first root is anger.
You may have made arrangements to go somewhere with a person who backs up at the last minute and leaves you hanging. So are you angry at that time? About or teased. Being joked about or teased. Whether it makes you angry. Getting your car stuck in the middle of traffic.
What again?
Getting your car stuck in the middle of traffic, does it make you angry?
It can be a taxi also. You are in a taxi or a cab or motorcycle, bike.
Your car is stalled at a traffic light and a guy behind you keeps blowing his horn.
Yeah.
Wah, 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 wah. You need to get somewhere quickly, but the car in front of you is going 25
Kilometers.
Yes,
and you know can't pass.
With the bad words of me.
Yeah.
This is going to be good for everyone.
Yeah.
It's nothing for everyone.
With everyone.
You accidentally make the wrong kind of turn. As you get out of your car, someone yells at you, "Where did you learn to drive?" This is for
Very
all
common.
ladies, I think so. Who
License किसने दिया?
License किसने दिया? Someone makes a mistake and blames it on you.
Shyam bhai ka.
You trying to concentrate, but a person near you is tapping their foot.
Somebody keeps on moving the phone and you are trying to concentrate.
Deliver an important book or a tool and they fail to return it.
100%. That thing is Next, repeat it.
You give a book to somebody.
You lend someone something, a book or something, and they fail to return you. Does it make you angry? You have had a busy day and the person you live with starts to complain about how you forgot to do something that you forgot to do. Nagging.
Your husband told you something or somebody told you something and you had a busy day and you forgot that thing. So, how, and he comes and tells you that how can you forget this?
So does that make
you angry?
General human tendency.
Act out on that. You are trying to discuss something important with your mate or partner who isn't giving you a chance to express your feelings.
Yes.
You are in a discussion with someone who persists in arguing about a topic they know very little about. Yes.
This used to know.
You are in a discussion with someone who persists in arguing about a topic they know very little about. Someone sticks his or her nose into an argument between you and someone else.
No, it's like we both arguing and you suddenly come in and you start putting your knowledge. No, it is not like this. And you get into argument. It's like that. Do you do that?
So I get angry. Who gets angry?
Angry nahi. You get into the
Yeah,
argument.
you get into the argument. In a hurry to get somewhere, you tear a good pair of dress on a sharp object. You use your last coin to make a phone call, but you are disconnected before you finish your words.
Maybe a prepaid. It can be a prepaid.
I still get angry when I think of bad things people did to me in the past. Waiting in line or waiting for other people really annoys me. આપણે બહુ લાંબી ટિકિટની લાઈનમાં હોય ને you get irritated. I often find myself having heated arguments with the people who are closest to me.
What you do?
I often find myself having heated arguments with the people who are closest to me.
Often.
I sometimes lie awake at night and think about things that upset me during the day. I sometimes lie awake at night and think about things what has upset me during the day.
So that makes you angry.